Hello and welcome. This tutorial will walk you through performing a PST export in Office 365. Before we begin, it's important to note that the PST export tool will only work in Internet Explorer. Launch Internet Explorer, then navigate to portal.office.com. Log in with your global admin credentials, then choose Security and Compliance from the available apps. In the Security and Compliance Center, click Permissions, then check the box for Compliance Administrator. In the pop-out window, scroll to the bottom, then click Edit in the Members section, then click Choose Members. Next, click Add, then type in the display name of your global admin account and press Enter. In the Search Results section, click the checkbox next to your global admin account, then click Add. Then click Done. Then click Save, and finally click Close. While still in the Permissions area, click the checkbox for eDiscovery Manager. In the pop-out window, scroll to the bottom, then click Edit in the eDiscovery Administrator section. Then click Choose eDiscovery Administrator. Next, click Add, then type in the display name of your global admin account and press Enter. In the Search Results section, click the checkbox next to your global admin account. Then click Add. Click Done. Then click Save, and finally click Close. Now that you have added the necessary permissions to export PST files, you will need to allow at least 2 hours for propagation time. After allowing propagation time, navigate to the Security and Compliance Center and click on Search and Investigation, then click on eDiscovery. In the eDiscovery area, click on Create a Case. Then in the pop-out window, give the new case a name and description. Then click Save. Once the case is saved, click Open next to the case to launch it. In the case window, click the Search tab at the top. Then click the plus sign to create a new search. Give the search a name, then choose the options you want for your search. In our example, we will be searching for all content in a single mailbox, so we will select Customize Location Selection. Then select Choose Specific Mailboxes to search. Next, click the plus sign. Then in the Select Members window, enter the display name of the mailbox you want to search. Once the mailbox is found, select it, then click Add, and finally click OK. You can also choose to search sites and public folders at the bottom of the page, but in our example, we will only be searching the mailbox. Click Next in the lower right-hand corner. On the What do you want us to look for page, you can enter specific keywords to search for and add special conditions to your search, such as date range, file size, file type, and so on. In our example, we will be exporting all mailbox content, so we will leave this section as default and simply click Search in the lower right-hand corner. Once the search is saved, you are taken back to the case window. To proceed with exporting your search, make sure it is selected, then click the underlined down arrow symbol. Then choose Export the Results. In the Export window, you can choose to export all items with unrecognized formats, or only unrecognized formats. In our example, we will be exporting all items. You can also choose to export one PST for each mailbox, one PST containing all messages, one PST for all messages in a single folder, or individual messages. In our example, we will simply choose the default setting of one PST file for each mailbox. There is also a checkbox at the bottom to enable deduplication. if you believe the data being exported may have duplicates. Once you have selected the settings you wish to use, click Start Export. To download the export, click the Export tab at the top. Then select the export you want to download. You will notice a % complete status on the right, and you should wait for 100% completion before starting the download. Once 100% is reached, click Download Exported Results. In the download window, you will notice an export key at the bottom. That key must be used during the export, so you must click Copy to Clipboard before proceeding. If prompted to allow clipboard access after clicking Copy to Clipboard, simply click Allow. Once you have copied the key, click Download Results. The Microsoft Office 365 eDiscovery Export tool should appear. Once the install finishes, you will see a field to paste the key from the previous step. To paste the key, simply right-click in the field and choose Paste. You must also select a location to save the file by clicking Browse. Once you select a save location, click Start. As the download runs, you will see a status indicator, and you should eventually see Process has completed. At this point, the export has been saved on your machine, and you can click Close on any remaining windows. That's how you perform a PST export in Office 365. Thanks for watching.